Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Veto TECH-MCT Open Top Tool Bag. It features 28 interior and exterior pockets, an outside mounted stainless steel tape clip, a waterproof 3mm polypropylene base, and an overmolded ergonomic grip. This bag features a real leather rim all the way around the edge of the bag and a molded plastic box with a smaller removable box that can be positioned in 5 different locations. The dimensions of this bag are 18 inches high to the top of the handle by 10 inches long by 8 inches wide. Veto includes an extra wide padded shoulder strap that you can use if you like. Now let's load this beauty up. Since I'm an electrician, I'll start with my digital multimeter, which I'll put in the plastic box area. I'll put a hammer in the box area. This is the ideal circuit breaker finder kit, which includes a receptacle tester. I'll put it in the box area as well. This is a laser distance measurer, which I'll put in one of the pockets. Now a 1000 volt insulated long flat screwdriver, followed by the new Klein voltage detector with infrared thermometer. Next, I'll put in a drywall knife and then the new Klein stripper and crimper. This is my 1000 volt insulated electrical pushing tool that my friend Warren Tarbell invented, followed by some very handy end nippers and a Klein 11-in-1 screwdriver. Now in the front row where tools are very easily accessed, I'll put a 1000 volt insulated flat screwdriver, a 1000 volt insulated Phillips screwdriver, and a 1000 volt insulated cross type driver, which is called a Xeno driver. I'll finish off the row with a small flat screwdriver and some electrical tape. Now I'll turn the bag around and start loading up the opposite side, starting with my Knipex 1000 volt insulated electrical installation pliers, a carbon fiber pocket knife, Knipex 8-inch diagonal cutters, 6-inch long nose pliers, a flashlight, the new Weha pliers wrench, Knipex 1000 volt insulated linesman pliers, a kind of level that is used for conduit bending, the new Klein heavy duty diagonal cutters, and electrical tape. On one of the ends, I'll put a 16-foot tape measure, some 1000 volt insulated adjustable pliers, a Sharpie precision screwdriver, and a long bit holder. On the opposite end, I'll include the new Klein magnetizer and demagnetizer, a Fluke voltage detector, a razor knife, a pencil, and a pen. Then, at least for carrying purposes, there is still room for an impact driver. Of course, each individual tradesman will set their bag up with the tools that they need for their trade, with their favorite brands and their favorite tools. In addition to the electrical trade, this bag is fantastic for HVAC, plumbing, and other trades. This is a professional quality bag made for those who want to be as organized as possible. The open top makes for very quick access to the tools, and the sturdy construction of the bag should make it long-lasting. The bag comes with a unique 5-year zero downtime warranty. This means that if your bag fails within 5 years, Veto will actually send you another bag to use while your defective tool bag is being repaired or replaced. In conclusion, I'm thrilled to own this bag, and this bag will be going to work with me. I'll put a link in my video description for the Veto TECH-MCT Open Top Tool Bag. Also, I'll put a link for the Veto Pro Pack OT-XL Open Top Tool Bag, which is bigger than the one I showed in the video, and it has a different layout. I'll put links for the Veto Pro Pack TECH-MC, which is 10 inches by 8 inches by 12 inches, and for the Veto Pro Pack TECH-MCT, which is 13 by 13 by 16. I'll put a link for the Veto Pro Pack TP4 Technician Tool Pouch, and I'll put a link for the Veto Pro Pack DR-XL Tool Bag. Also, I'll put links for all the various tools, meters, and testers seen in the video. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.